That's too small, so I let it go. There you go. Go home. This is a monster walleye, and this is mini haha for pool 2. Man, this is a monster. Woo-wee. 落在地下都那，都walleye那是落在地下。As the total is 27 inch. Wow, that's a monster. Woo, that's a nice one. Ah, dang! Can't believe I catch this monster today. Woo. Okay, let us know J to rồi, nó tao J lo hả? Lấy tụi monster nó. Oh shit. There you go. Okay, today we're fishing on Mississippi River. It's right by a little bit, about 10 minutes off downtown St. Paul. So here we are. Hope we can catch some fish today. Weather is supposed to be around 60 degrees. It's a pretty warm day. And it's just short, yeah, I don't know, but about see, I'm using minnow and chartreuse jacket, so hopefully we can catch something. There you go, see that? Whoa, change that a little bit. There you go. It shows a lot of fish in there, but I don't know, there's no bite. And my sonars keep beeping because telling me there's a lot of fish in there. Alright, our first fish of the day. Woo, that's some walleye. Nice fish. Oops, get off. Yeah. Oh, nice fish. Alright, that's walleye, first walleye. Well, put it back in the water. Ooh. See ya, buddy. Yeah. Hey, whoa. Alright. Okay, let's try again. So we can catch some more. Alright. Let's see. Yep, there you go again. Oh, I got away. Man, it's a blot here. He got away. He got away. He got away. Wait. Try some more. Right. So we can catch some more. There you go. All right. There you go. The bite is on. Hope I can catch some more. Catch some more. Yeah. It's just a waiting game here. All right. 이제 꽃이 쳤다 되네. 또 walleye here 심하는 같이 쳤다 되지. It's kind of slow, but hopefully we can catch some more fish. There you go. I got another one. All right, another one. There you go. Oh, that's not a walleye. Nice fish. Oh, that's a soger. That's not walleye, that's a soger. That's nice soger. Nice soger. Man, that's a big one. Yeah, that's nice soger here. Let's see. Oh. That's beauty. Oh man, look at that. See, that's another fish. That's a soger. Nice fish. Alright. Let him go again. Oh. See ya, buddy. Come on, come on. All right, there you go. Whew.